Good morning. It looks like the anemic trend of sideways come range-bound movement in the benchmark indices would last a little bit more longer. This means that the bulls will have to be a little bit more patient before they see the Nifty cross 5,500. Today's start will be sedate at best given the mixed global cues. Identify the stocks that you would like to own and patiently await for a better price to buy the same. Apart from the tepid price action in the key indices, the disappointing aspect over the past couple of sessions has been low trading volumes. Meanwhile, action continues in the small cap and mid cap space with a few stocks outperforming the market, mostly due to some news flow. The US stocks closed lower due to a couple of disappointing earnings and not so great economic reports. Europe fared slightly better with indices in key markets finishing flat. The German DAX index, though, gained marginally, buoyed by a few upbeat results. Friday's US jobs data will be keenly followed, but before that we will get an update on the monetary policy in the UK and European Union on Thursday. The government has asked the Parliament for approval to spend 55 billion rupees more this fiscal than it had budgeted for in February. The country produced 218 metric ton of iron ore in the last fiscal against 215 metric ton in 2008-2009. India is reviewing the double taxation avoidance agreement with Mauritius to prevent tax evasion and strengthen exchange of information on the matter between the two countries. The government has imposed anti-dumping duty of ₹25 per kg on import of a laminated product. In order to attract World Bank funding for highway projects, NHAI plans to relax payment schedule for private contractors. The NHAI board is considering a proposal to give 40% of the annuity payment to the contractors upfront and the remaining amount later in installments. The joint venture between Cairn India, ONGC, Videocon Industries and Rava Oil will get a new price of $4.2 million for gas produced from its East Coast Rava fields. Reliance Industries and SR are bidding to acquire the retail assets and lubricants business of BP in 5 African countries, that's Zambia, Malawi, Botswana, Namibia and Tanzania. Adani Enterprises has acquired mining rights for Queensland-based assets for $455 million. HPCL will sell jet fuel to Kingfisher only against cash. Indian Bank has mopped up ₹30 billion by raising deposit rates a fortnight ago, much before RBI raised its lending and borrowing rates. Jet Airways has approached RBI to raise funds abroad in dollars at lower rates of interest. Moving on to the recommendations, the technical calls are a buy on MRPL. MRPL has bounced back from neckline support of broader inverted head and shoulder in the past few trading sessions with rise in volume activity. The levels of ₹75 also correspond to 50% retracement support of the intermediate rally from ₹65 to ₹86. We expect ₹75 to act as solid base for relaunch of positive momentum, and stock is likely to retest its intermediate peak of ₹86 in coming days. We recommend buying this stock above levels of ₹79 with a stop loss to be maintained at ₹76 for a target price of ₹85. A buy on Kotak Bank. The stock has been facing stiff resistance around the levels of ₹795 to ₹796 on the line chart from April 2010. On Tuesday, the stock overcame the crucial resistance levels and closed above it. The up move is accompanied with heavy volumes, 1.5 times of daily volumes. Moreover, the stock has been consolidating above its 200 DMA for the past 1 month. We expect the stock to rally in the medium term. Traders can buy the stock above levels of ₹804 with a stop loss to be maintained at ₹794 for a target price of ₹835. The derivative strategies are long Punjab Lloyd August future in the range of ₹128 to ₹130 for a target price of ₹138 and the stop loss is to be placed at ₹123. And long ONGC August future in the range of ₹1,276 to ₹1,279 for a target price of ₹1,296 and a stop loss is to be placed at ₹1,266. Thank you and have a great day ahead.